Hello guys, today I will show you how I made this calculator with ChatGPT. Let's get started. I will command hi ChatGPT. I want to make a calculator website and host it on Cloudflare Pages. So give me the code. I want to make this calculator. ChatGPT write the complete code like index, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, ChatGPT writing the code. This is CSS, and this is finally we get the script. Here is the complete tutorial. Now we create new repository. I will name it new calculator. Then just save it. Create new repository. Here is the our file. Now we create new file. Click create new file. Here I will name it index.html. I will copy the code from ChatGPT given us index.html. It is the file name, and I will copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it here. Here is our index.html. Save. Now we again. Uh, Here is I will copy the CSS file. Here is the styles.css file. First we name it, then we again go to ChatGPT and copy the code and paste it here. Now click save changes. Now same again, copy the new file, create new file and paste the JavaScript script.js. Simply same again, we copy the code and paste it here. Okay, now our code is successfully created on GitHub. Now we connect Cloudflare Pages with GitHub. To Cloudflare Pages and find the webs worker and pages. Click here and create new an application and click pages, then connect here. As you can see, connect to Git. Click here, connect to Git and connect here. We successfully connected, and here is our new calculator project. As you can see, this is our file name, calculator name, and we begin setup. Here is preview name, project name, Now save and deploy. Now you have to wait few minutes. It is deploying, installing the app in the website. So it take average 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes. It is installing. You can see it is installed, but it is site is can't be reached. This site can't be reached. Why? You have to wait more 10 minutes. Then our calculator is successfully appear here, as you can see. Now it is live. So you just wait at least 10 minutes after the live the project. As you can see, our calculator is working fine. We have several tested. We test it so many times. It is working very fine. If you want to add your custom domain, you can add your domain here. Just put your domain name and continue.